everyone, today I'm gonna do this palette, and I put the RSVP. I did the coconut chapstick. Like I said, it feels more like a chapstick than it does like a lip balm, but you know, it moisturizes, it smells good. Don't really taste anything. But anyway, I'm going to start with this color. I really like that taupey color. I'm just using the same brush as last week. I cleaned it off as best I could. But hopefully it'll still show the true color. The less brushes I use, the less I have to clean. Okay. Alright. I like that taupey color. Almost like a no makeup look. A little bit more. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this brownish taupe right here. And that's going to be my crease color. I'm going to put like this beigey color right there in the inner corners to brighten up that area. Go back into this white color right here. It's like a creamy color. Just gonna put on a, black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. So I use the Butter Believe It powder. I use the Butter Believe It blush. I use the matte Monoi bronzer, and I use the Tutu Sweet. It's tutu, like a tutu that the ballerinas wear. So I use this for my lips. Normally I wouldn't buy a color like this, but I love that pink shimmer in there. It's like a white or a beige with a pink shimmer, and that pink shimmer just really called to me. The older I get, the lighter I seem to go with stuff. Usually I used to like really dark stuff. Anyway,